Hi, it's Ant Gaddy here from TIBA, and we're greatly looking forward to seeing you at the workshop on Wednesday. This is the BIM workshop, where we'll use at least one case study, maybe more, to show how a couple of our existing clients have already saved a huge amount of money and created differentiators for their own business, just simply using technology to empower BIM. I know that the last time we ran this workshop back in July, it was oversubscribed. I think we had 45 people there. We've decided to run much more intimate workshops this time, so you can expect a much smaller group, probably 10 or less people. It just appeared that the discussions run a lot better when there are fewer people, so please expect an interactive session. Please expect a lot of opportunity to discuss things and to open up challenges around the technology and around BIM, and how do you actually use the technology to accelerate BIM, create differentiators for your business, ideally to save a lot of money, save a lot of hassle. And until Wednesday of this week, take care.